Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Talks, your trusted space for powerful English learning and life-changing motivation. Today's topic is one that can truly transform your journey, whether you're learning English, building a new habit, or chasing a big dream. It's called How to Master Anything in 30 Days. Yes, you heard that right. 30 days. Just 1 month. Not a lifetime. Not a year. Not even 6 months. Because mastery doesn't always require time, it requires focus, strategy, and consistency. And today, I'm going to walk you through the mindset, the method, and the magic of mastering anything in just 30 days. Let's begin with a simple truth. You don't need more time. You need more intention. Most people say, I'll learn English someday. I'll start exercising someday. I'll build my business someday. But someday is not a day of the week. Someday is a trap. If you want to master something, you must start now. And you must commit, not casually but completely. It starts with a decision. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Arjun. He wanted to become fluent in English. He had tried before. He watched videos. He downloaded apps, but he never stayed consistent. One day, he made a decision. For the next 30 days, I will give my full focus to English. No excuses, no distractions, just commitment. He created a plan. He followed it daily. And after 30 days, he wasn't just better. He was transformed. His confidence had grown. His fluency had improved. His mindset had shifted, not because he was lucky, not because he was gifted, but because he was focused. That's the first step. Decide what you want to master and commit to it for 30 days. Now let's talk about the method. There are 5 pillars to mastering anything in 30 days: clarity, daily practice, immersion, tracking, and reflection. Clarity means being specific. Don't say, I want to improve my English. Say, I want to master English speaking for daily conversations. Don't say, I want to get fit. Say, I want to run 5 kilometers without stopping. Clarity creates direction, and direction creates momentum. Daily practice is the heart of mastery. You don't need to practice for 5 hours a day. You need to practice every day. Even 30 minutes of focused practice is powerful, because repetition builds skill, and daily action builds discipline. If you're learning English, speak every day. Listen every day. Read every day. Write every day. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. If you're building a new skill, coding, cooking, public speaking, practice daily. No 0 days. No skipping. No excuses. Immersion means surrounding yourself with your goal. Let it become your environment. If you're mastering English, change your phone language to English. Watch English movies. Listen to English podcasts. Think in English. Speak to yourself in English. If you're mastering fitness, follow fitness pages. Read fitness blogs. Talk to fit people. Let your goal become your world. Immersion accelerates learning. It makes your goal feel natural, not forced. Tracking is essential. What gets measured gets improved. You must track your progress. Use a notebook. Use an app. Use a calendar. Write down what you did today, what you learned, what you struggled with, what you improved. Tracking builds awareness, and awareness builds mastery. When you see your progress, you feel proud. When you feel proud, you stay consistent. Reflection turns experience into wisdom. Every week, pause and reflect. Ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What can I improve? What am I proud of? Reflection helps you adjust your strategy. It helps you grow faster. Now let's talk about the mindset. To master anything in 30 days, you must adopt the mindset of a student and a warrior. A student is curious, open, humble, willing to learn, willing to fail. Willing to grow? A warrior is committed, focused, relentless, unstoppable, willing to fight for their goal. You need both. You need to learn like a student and act like a warrior. Because mastery is not easy. You will face resistance. You will feel tired. You will doubt yourself. That's normal. That's part of the process. But if you stay committed, if you show up every day, if you keep going even when it's hard, you will break through. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say you want to master English speaking in 30 days. Here's a simple plan. Days 1 to 5, learn 10 useful phrases each day. Practice pronunciation. Record yourself speaking. Day 6 to 10, watch one English video daily. Repeat sentences. Shadow the speaker. Days 11 to 15, speak for 5 minutes daily on a topic. Record and review. Days 16 to 20, practice conversations with a partner or AI. Focus on fluency. Days 21 to 25, read one article aloud daily. Focus on clarity and tone. Days 26 to 30, create short English videos. Share your progress. Celebrate your growth. This is just one example. You can apply the same structure to any skill. Fitness, writing, coding, public speaking, anything. The key is start, stay consistent, reflect, adjust, finish. And when you finish, you'll realize something powerful. Mastery is not about talent. It's about commitment. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be persistent. You don't need to be fast. You just need to be focused. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to be brave enough to begin. So begin today, right now. Choose your goal. Create your plan. Commit for 30 days and watch your life change. Because when you master one thing, you build the confidence to master anything. This is Mr. English Talks, reminding you that your future is not waiting. It's calling. And you have the power to answer. Keep going. Keep growing. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay unstoppable. You've got this.